Hey guys, for today's video, I'll be actually showcasing the new Bee Swarm update. So first of all, let's check out the shop. In the shop, we have new exotic cosmetic crates, and then the forever pack, and also the new extra, extra cosmetic placing slots, and everything else is just the same. Okay, let's check out the event. This is where you get pollinated plants and give it to the honey compressor for the honey currency. This is the queen bee. You can ask her who she is and also what can and what honey and nothing and what honey is, and then we also have the honey shop, which has many new cosmetics and a bee egg, a bee crate, which is the cosmetic, and two new seeds. We have the hive fruit seed, and then the nectarine seed, and then a flower seed pack, which involves. I do not have many of them. First, we have the pink lily, a lilac, and rose. And in the shop, we had nectarine, and then the other one. I only have one of them. This is the nectarine. First of all, I'll showcase the lily, which is a mythic one. This is probably the third best plant in my I think so it is the third best plant right now. Then we have the lilac. The lilac is not super heavy, but it is pretty decent if you're a noob. As you can see, it is 35. Then is the rose, which is almost like the blueberry, and so roses also don't weigh a lot, but it is mid in my opinion. It's only 4,000. So that are those covered from the seed pack. Then we have nectarine. It is the second best seed from the honey shop, because there are only two of them. They are mid in growing. It isn't fast, but it isn't slow either. They weigh 3 or 2 kg minimum. Oh wait, they weigh 3 kg minimum, as you can see. Well, that is actually pretty insane now. Wow, 62,000 is actually better than the moon mango. Well, I'ma just get another nectarine then. Let me just. Oh man, wow. Nectarines normally weight exactly that much. Okay. Now I'll showcase the new moon mango buff, which got buffed, but in my opinion, I don't really think it's enough. The moon mango now is not really available, and it's now not possible to get the seed or the plant, and I and it also did cost 1 billion. So I really think it should get a new buff. Chandel, if you're watching this, come on man, just buff it. Just buff it 2 times it. Because it should be better than the Candy Blossom and the Moon Blossom. Because it's very expensive. And then we have the new pollinated mutation. This is when the honeybees, it is almost like the Moon Knight event. Every time a bee releases every hour, and if a bee comes to your garden, it pollinates one of your fruits. And this is how it looks like. And I honestly think they should nerf the how long that event lasts, because I've gotten so many of them and it's way too easy, and I think it should be way harder. But okay, here's a pollinated grape. So with pollinated fruits, you put it here. We give it to the honey compressor right here. If you have a fruit or flower that is pollinated and weighs more than 10 kilograms, you can compress it to honey right away. But if it's not weighted enough, as you can see, you can put more honey inside it. So yeah, that's pretty easy. And when you do put them in, yeah, as you can see, when you fully put some in, you need to wait 3 minutes, 3 minutes, for the honey. Every compression, you get a minimum of 10 honey currency and a maximum of 10 honey currency. And you will be able to buy any of these. And the fruits, so these are the fruits. There is also many others, but I can't give you an example, but I can explain it. We also have a new mutation called the Void Touched. If you were there before the update, there would have been an event called the Black Hole. Sadly, I wasn't there to record it. It gives a mutation called Void Touched. It's really not that good. It's like the pollinated mutation, but it looks very good. And by the way, the meteorite rain is now gone, and you can't get celestial mutation anymore. I also do think that the Moon Melon glitch got nerfed. If you don't know about the Moon Melon, it's a glitch in which you just put down a mini sprinklers, wait a whole hour, come back, and the moon melons will be very huge. It says it might be nerfed. And also, there is a new Easter egg. It was announced in the update that there's a new Easter egg and we should be trying to find it. That's one thing. I will go redeem our honey. As you can see, it's almost done. And after you get the currency, you can buy anything from the shop. I'll just show you what are the seeds you get. You can get, and also there's this new question mark, which if you press it, you get to see what you get from that pack, as you can see. By the way, there's a new sprinkler called the honey sprinkler. It's a divine rarity, so it will be hard to get. There is also many new pets. There are bees commonly, and every bee actually just make your plants turn pollinated. All of them do, even the queen bee. The thing about the queen bee is that every 30 minutes it just reduces the cooldown of a pet, so every time it turns 30 minutes it resets the cooldown, so it will be able to do more times. It paired with the raccoon is very overpowered because instead of 2 every oh wow wow, that is insane luck. That's insane luck. Wow, I actually did not think I would get anything. It seems like we got a thunderstorm. Let's check out how good the lily is. Africa strike. Let's see how good these are when they get striked. While it strikes our plants, there is a new glitch where the beanstalk seed, you get insanely big seeds. Fruits. They become very big. It gets so big, in fact, that it's just completely massive. I'm not lying. It's actually insanely big. They sell for a minimum of 200k if you get a massive beanstalk. And also, the sprinkler glitch works on these cacao seeds, moon mango. They do not work on mangoes, and I don't think they also do not work on these beanstalks. It seems that they haven't struck any of these. That's unlucky. There's also a glitch where a beanstalk grows insanely high. Oh wow, they struck his, but not mine. That's unlucky. I believe there is a new crate or new items. Yeah, I believe the green tractor was already there. I think there's a new one, cosmetic crates and cosmetics. And I think they also buffed the chances for the beanstalk seed to be on stock, because the day before yesterday it was on stock 3 times, which is insane. As you can see, almost everyone here has the beanstalk seed. Oh, my lily didn't get struck. Okay. I guess that's all it for the video, guys. I feel like this is all I really know about the update, unfortunately. and I hope you guys subscribe, and if you're willing, please donate to me in Please Donate. Bye.